Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and today, yep, SuperThings Mutant Battle. If you're wondering where we got these, and the vehicles, 6 of them, magicbox.store, that's where we got them, and we paid for expensive shipping, so they came here within 2 days. Yay! So yeah, let's go, I guess. This is going to be part 1 of 2. Because we don't have enough storage space. First ever SuperThing Mutant Battle. Yeah. It is... Oh, this is the radish. Very nice. Put them down there. I need to see this checklist. Here we got the good checklist up. Oh no, we didn't. We did not. I want to get ice green and unmorphed. Anything rare or colour change. I'll take anything else. Really. We'll go with this now. Ooh, it's the Xyloth. It's Xylotone. I remember the name of this one. Hello. Go back to this box. Hey, we got silver. Yes. This is the one silver that I really wanted. This is Professor Try, I believe. There's an ant on me. Okay, it's going up my shorts. Yeah, look, Professor Try. Woo! Crikey, I need to do this quicker. Vehicle. Let's go with the top, I guess. Exoskeleton. Yep. Now this is the colour change. I will do a separate video with all the colour changes that I get from this. And then, I'm not going to bother putting the exoskeleton together, but there you go. Let's take out the rest of this box. Ooh, it's the Boxer store. Star Boxer, I want to say is the name of that. Hey, Shader, I want to say the name. Series 4 flashbacks. Hey, the sofa. I like how the pillows are its mask. So fabulous. Hey, that's Ned Net. Is it that name? I don't know. Oh, one fell out. Let's do it. Oh, it's the leaf. Very nice. I'm so excited for this. Let's go with one from this box. Why not? Then we'll do a vehicle. Oh, it's purple. Oh, Potionous Head. Yes, this is the colour changer. I've heard they don't actually colour change, but they're definitely meant to. Vehicle. Yep, Castle. Crown. I think. And then, yep. And then Stone Smash, the exoskeleton. Yeah, we ain't building those. Let's take out this. Oh, it's the water gun. Wethead, I believe. Which is actually the name of the game, funnily enough. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these for what feels like years. Free Castle. Very nice detail. It reminds me of Paintful from Series 9. Sure. Oh, it's the leaf. Nice. Oh, that felt good. Oh, Kemi and Cal. I've been really wanting this one. So, yeah, this is also another colour changer. Like, Zoom should colour change as well, but I wasn't sure whether they'd send us 6 different ones, so I didn't get those. Oh, it's green. Oh, it's cat. I forget the name, but it's got cotton in it. Cavity cotton, that's it. Yeah, I don't think that's a colour changer, but I can go for one from this box. Even it out. Oh, it's the coat. We've opened quite a few so far. Speed running this. Ah! Hey. Look. I don't know what. It's like some sort of a ball. Oh, it's a rolling pin. Nice. The rolling pin. I don't really know the names. Not learn them off by heart just yet. Now, ooh, what's this? Ooh, the chef. Reminds me of Slash from Series 7. Okay, last exoskeleton of the video. Of course, Saturnalia, I think that's the name. This is all off by memory. Yeah. There's the exoskeleton. Oh, one more bit. One more. There we are. This. We'll just. These. Oh, it's the recorder. Flute thing. I don't know. I wonder if I can do this all in one part, actually. Oh, it's another colour changer, I think. It's the flower. Petal Pal. Go from one here. Let's do it upside down. Ooh, Sunny Sea. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get the ultra rare. I never do when I first buy the box. Oh, it's red. Ooh. Is this the coat? Maybe. Oh no, it's Enemy. I love that it's parody of Eminem. That makes me laugh. Well, what? We'll do that. Gold! Ocean gold! Oh, he is so cool. I believe I'm the first person ever to have him. He is so cool. Okay, yeah, you're going up front with Professor Try. Flip. Open. I'm just going to tell. Oh, we got the calculator. I think they're rivals, actually. He's so cool. And I'm glad I've got him because he's one of the harder ones to feel for. Although the ultra rare, I think, is going to be really hard. I don't know the name of that guy. Whoop. Hey, the candy thingy you eat at Christmas. I forgot the name right now. Hey, the Scarface. Or Scarface. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, yes! The berries. Should change to blue. Whenever it colour changes. Okay. Okay, yeah. Sprankster. Okay, this will be the last one. Let's go with one from here. Okay then. Oh, it's a campfire. Okay, everyone, stay tuned for part 2. So, thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.